Hello Padawans, I'm going to be explaining to you the Anaconda toolkit installation process. So, we have a virtual machine with Ubuntu Desktop 2004 LTS fully updated. Before starting, I want to tell you a bit about the Anaconda toolkit. Anaconda is a project to give us an environment to use all tools for data science and machine learning in the same machine, with both Python and R. They have open source distribution, where you have open source packages and libraries. This is the URL and documentation for the individual edition. To install this toolkit, we go to download the Anaconda installer for the open source individual edition. Download this with wget in the temp folder. Of course, you should always check the hash. You never know if the download link has been hacked. And now we compare the hash value with the value that Anaconda shows us. If you want to install out of the user folder, we can create a folder in opt, where we will install the Anaconda environment. And change the owner. Now we run the Anaconda installer. Press enter and read the license agreement. Scroll down and write yes to accept. Select the installation folder. In my case, I've created a folder for that. Opt DS Forensics Anaconda 3. And enter. Now, choose whether to activate the environment by default with your user or not. It's recommended to do so, but I choose not to. So, we now have the Anaconda toolset installed in a Python environment. All files and sources are in the installation folder. In my case, I need to activate the environment. Now we are in, and we should update the environment. We should update Conda and Anaconda. Conda is like apt or pip in this environment. And update all tools in Anaconda. Then, updating Anaconda updates everything else, the environment, libraries, packages, tools, etc. Now it's ready. In our case, we need to add some extra tools, the TensorFlow package, and a useful plugin to collapse cells in Jupyter. And Good. So we're ready to use the DS Forensics Force. Brilliant. Now to finish, to deactivate the environment, this is the command. Nice one. May the DS Forensics Force be with you.